What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from Pocket Option to Cash App. So, in this case, how do we exactly do so? Well, if we're drawing your funds from Pocket Option to Cash App here is kind of tricky because in order for you to do so, you need to have a Cash App card. Now, you could actually get this directly from Cash App. You just need to contact them. You can even get it within the app. But typically speaking, you just need to get it. And once you have a card, which in this case, by the way, is a Visa card, you can actually use that into your Pocket Option account. So in this case, you want to go ahead and, by the way, if you only do this if you already have a Cash App card. In this case, you want to go to the left side here, go to Pocket Option, log in, go to left side, click on Finance, and you want to click on Withdraw. Now, on the withdraw, it should give you the option here that says add payment method. So in this case, you should be able to add your card here and also do the withdrawal. So they might ask you a bunch of questions here, but typically speaking, you just need to provide your card details. That includes the card number, the expiration date, and as well as the CVV or CVC at the back of your card. But yeah, so once you've done that, you should be able to make your withdrawal here on your Cash App card, and you should be good. And that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.